We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. But now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm definitely gonna go out with Shar and take some pictures. I've been so out of my routine since I've moved out, because usually, you know, I wake up and I'm like, okay, let's go get some pictures. But ever since I moved out and I've been living here, like I wake up and I'm like, all right, what renovations should I do? So my routine is low-key all over the place, which is really normal when you move, so it's okay, especially when you move back in with your parents. It's been insane living here because, as you guys know or may not know, my parents have 3 dogs and I have 1 dog. This house has had 4 dogs. The barking here is insane. I mean, I'm surprised dogs are not barking right now. Gonna do my makeup real quick. I'm like really congested. I've been so congested since January. I don't understand that. But of course, wearing sunscreen. I've been wearing it every morning, every night. The past few days, it's been really hot in Minnesota. It's literally been like high 80s. Today is gonna be high 80s. And I just think that's crazy because I cannot freaking stand the heat. I'm always here waiting for summer, but when summer comes, I'm like, damn, it's hot. Like yesterday, it was so hot. The whole house was literally, it felt like 100 degrees. Like it was so hot, ridiculous. I was sweating just standing here and being alive. But it was so hot yesterday, it made me miss winter. I ain't never been there before. I woke up around 8:30 today. That's honestly very early for me. Usually I'm like a 9:30 or even 10, like around there type of person. Today I woke up and I was struggling to even keep my eyes open while walking. Like I was like this in the living room. I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering like how long I plan to live with my parents. My game plan is live here for around 4 years, and within those 4 years I'm gonna figure the fuck out of my life. I mentioned this in my last video, but I switched my management, so I'm starting this new journey over here with Rare Global and I'm so excited. Rare Global literally manages all of my absolute favorite Asian American influencers, so I'm really excited. Like this feels like a new beginning. And like, you know, one thing about the universe is if you're gonna tell the universe you want a new life, like you're like, I'm not happy where I'm at, something needs to change. Don't expect things to stay the same. Everything is gonna switch around. The universe is gonna remove and take things from your life so that you can get to where you need to be or where you want to be. I feel like I am currently on a new journey right now. Like I asked the universe, I was just here like, I don't like where I'm at, I'm not comfortable, I want to grow. And in doing that, y'all, my life has changed. I have new management, I live somewhere else now, I am single. That is just so crazy to me. So much has happened. I know that everything has happened for a reason, and honestly change is scary AF, but through strength and resilience, you guys can literally get through anything. I've been so stressed out with, you know, this sudden transition in my life, but honestly I've been handling it like a freaking G. I am so strong and I am so capable, and I know I'm capable, and the fact that I'm here proves it. I think for a long time I was really afraid to step out of my comfort zone, but this year I'm just here like, universe, hit me. I want to see how strong I'm gonna turn out at the end of this. Stress levels are up here and then it goes down here and it's so like back and forth, but I'm growing and I'm so happy about that.
1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아 하루에 10번.
You guys, I finished my makeup, my hair. I have some jewelry on, just a little bit. And this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this dress. This is from With Jean. They have the cutest freaking clothes ever. The dress is like a little long, so I like folded it. I love their dresses. It's giving like vintage cottagecore. And we're going for more like neutral vibes today. I love wearing green, especially when it's sunny outside. So this is very cute. And my hair matches. For shoes, I'm just gonna wear my nude sandals. They're so dirty. Cute. I like cute. Cute. Welcome to Car Talks with Sandy and Shar.
Wrong answer. Hi guys, I'm Aquafina. It's kind of funny. It's kind of the vibe though. I'm not sick. I'm just my voice is, congested and my throat is whatever. I went to like a whole bunch of places and then they'll like say like good morning or hi or have a nice day. I was like, oh yeah, have a nice day. And they literally go bombastic side eye.
Oh, those are low-key kind of cute.
Sorry guys, you're being conceited.
My makeup looks so good today.
I'm mad oily. Oh shit, that shit's mad smooth though.
Do this with your hand. I am ready to go outside. This is called Goodnight Moon and the building is really cute, so we like taking pictures here. Shh, we're gatekeeping. Only you guys get to know. Just kidding, we're not gatekeeping. I was out for like 4 hours with Shar. I posted on my Instagram twice today. How bored am I? It is so sunny in here. It is so hot. This is probably like the hottest room in the house because it gets the most sunlight. It's ridiculous. It's a good thing and a bad thing because it's so hot, but like it's so pretty in here. This morning I posted these pictures. Yeah. Am I a catfish? A little bit. And then I just posted these pictures now. Anyways, I feel really good. It feels so nice to like get into the groove of things. Like you guys know, content creating is like my job. It's also one of my favorite hobbies. Like I love being creative. Taking pictures is so fun and I love doing it. I don't know. I haven't really been posting that much on my Instagram these past few, honestly, I'm gonna say like months. Like I've been posting, but not like consistently and not really that good of content because I've been so busy. Like I just haven't been prioritizing taking photos. But the fact that today I posted twice, I am feeling good. I'm getting in the groove of things. And it's sunny outside, which is one of the best things ever.